Malapit ka na bang mag-take ng CE board exam? What if may ma-encounter kang unfamiliar problem or concept? Isa sa trend ngayon ay ang earth moving under MSTC. So try natin i-solve itong problem na to. A soil weighs 1,163 kg per loose cubic meter, 1,661 kg per bank cubic meter, and 2,077 kilograms per compacted cubic meter. How many bank cubic meter and compacted cubic meter are contained in 593,300 loose cubic meter of this soil? Good thing sa problem na to is given na yung hint, meaning itong formulas na to ay of course magagamit natin to solve this problem. First step na gawin natin is specify muna natin or i-label muna natin ano ba yung mga values na binigay. So for 1,163, looking at the units, ito ay unit weight. So, gamma loose siya. The next one naman is gamma bank. The third one is gamma compacted. Then the last one, ito naman ay volume ni loose or V loose. So first, kunin muna natin si bank volume na may units na bank cubic meter. Ang problema lang dito is wala yung load factor. Same kay compacted volume na may units na compacted cubic meter, wala rin siyang shrinkage factor. Magagamit natin ang concept na ratio and proportion sa part na to since for load factor, need lang natin i-divide si gamma loose over gamma bank. So yung load factor mo or LF is equal to 1,163 na given over 1,661. Ang makukuha nating values is 0.70. Kahit 0.7 na lang gamitin natin for the load factor. So now na may load factor ka na, kaya nang kunin si bank volume. So si loose cubic meter mo or yung volume ni loose ay 593,300 times yung load factor natin kanina na 0.7. Ang makukuha nating value ay 415,310 bank cubic meter. Okay, proceed naman tayo kay compacted volume. Shrinkage factor naman dito, so ano ba yung i-divide natin? Ayun naman is si gamma bank over naman kay gamma compacted. So, shrinkage factor or SF is equal to gamma